Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I will present the result of the article review that I did. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Alieva Zaratulia. I'm from class B, Mathematics Education, Mula Warman University. So the title of the article that I have reviewed is Mali Educational System, an overview of mathematics curriculum in Mali from kindergarten to secondary school. This article written by Kamara Favre and Lina. Kamara Favre come from School of Mathematics and Statistics, Central China Normal University, Wuhan, China Department of Mathematics, Normal School of Technical and Professional Education, Bamako, Mali. And the second writer, which is Lina, it's from Doctor School of Mathematics and Statistics, Central China Normal University, Wuhan, China. The next part is introduction. In Mali, mathematics is a compulsory subject from kindergarten through basic to secondary school. Mali started its own educational system starting at 1962 after independence. So, after the independence of Mali, like many African countries, carried out a reform of education in 1962. For this reform, the study of mathematics in all classes was linked to the practical use of the theoretical notions learned. This will be the necessary link between theory and practice, allowing mathematics to be perceived not as an abstract science, but as a means of knowledge or an instrument at the service to other science. It presents an educational system that meets the national needs, programs, and diplomas recruitment that was to the realities. So, mathematics is introduced to children through the geometric figures and recognition of numbers. Mathematics is taught throughout the school curriculum, and with the conference approach or APC adopted by Mali since 2011, mathematics remains a major and compulsory subject until the beginning of secondary education. So that is the introduction about this article, and the next one is methods. But unfortunately, in the methods there is nothing they mention about it. This article does not explicitly mention the methods used in the research, so there is no clue about what methods they use. And because of that, we're going to entering the next part, which is findings. In findings, Mali educational system has a structure as follows: basic education, general secondary education, technical and vocational education, and higher education. The basic education is placed under the administration and the technical control of the National Direction of the Normal Education, which comes under the Ministry of National Education through Centers of Pedagogical Animation, where each occupied school is in his riding. The state ensures to all citizens from 6 to 8 years old, in particular, have a general basic education comprising 2 cycles. The first cycle of 6 years and the second cycle of 3 years. General secondary education is provided in high school. Its training duration lasted 3 years. The general secondary education is placed under the administration and the technical control of the National Direction of the Secondary Education, which is also falls under the Ministry of National Education through the Direction of Teaching Academy, where each one deals with the high school in its area. APC stands for Annual Percentage Change or Average Percentage Change. It is a mathematical calculation used to measure the rate of a change of a variable over a specific time period. The APC is calculated by taking the difference between the final and initial values of the variable, dividing it by the initial value, and then multiplying by 100 to express it as a percentage. In Mali, mathematics teachers in the second cycle of basic education are trained in all the 20 IFMEs scattered in many of administrative regions. So that is the findings. Next we're going to entering the discussion. First, cycle of basic education. This period of training takes 6 years of study period divided into 3 classes of 2 years each, which are introductory classes in first and second year, and then aptitude classes in third and fourth years, and the last one is orientation classes in 5 and 6 years. And then second cycle of basic education. The second cycle covers a 3-year study, 7th, 8th, and 9th year. It ensures continuity of primary education. The new mathematics program of secondary education, according to the APC, aims to standardize the level of students from previous classes in order to offer them the same opportunities in the pursuit of their university studies. It also makes it possible to harmonize the pedagogy of mathematics and to make available to students the acquisition of solid training. The study in all classes must be attached to the practical use of the theoretical notions learned. In this way, we will build this communication between theory and practice, allowing us to conceive mathematics not as an abstract science, but as a means of knowledge, an instrument at the service of other science. The mathematics education in the first cycle of the basic school aims to foster the integration of each pupil, encourage learning from other disciplines, and to provide each student with the necessary tools to pursue studies at the second cycle of the basic school or in a vocational school. In the second cycle of basic school, the teaching of mathematics aims, in addition to the points cited in the first cycle of the basic school, to provide the students with the tools necessary for the continuation of study in secondary school. A balanced mathematics program integrates conceptions learning and the development, conservation, and application of skill. This should be taught in such that learners progress their capability to think mathematically. In Mali, mathematics teachers in the second cycle of basic education are trained in all the 20 IFMAs scattered in many of administrative regions. Mathematics teachers in secondary education, which is general, technical, and vocational, are trained at UNSUP, only located in Bamako, the capital of Mali. This teacher teach only mathematics in secondary school, which is general, technical, and vocational. Math teachers are trained in the special methodology of teaching math course. That's it about the discussion. Next, we're going to conclude about the discussion, and the conclusion about this article is Mali educational system sees mathematics as an essential subject from kindergarten to university. The Ministry of National Education is responsible for the education of children from 3 to 6 years, whose completion of this care is the entry to school from 6 years. The period of 6 to 8 years, which marks the end of kindergarten, is entrusted to the first cycle of basic education. Entrance to secondary education from the age of 15 is linked to obtaining the DIF, marks the end of the second cycle of basic education and make it possible to direct pupils, either towards general secondary education or towards sector of economic activity, which is technical and vocational education. The Ministry of National Education is also responsible for the training of mathematics teacher of basic education through the Directorate of Normal Education. The content of the program is indicative. It is accompanied by a teaching guide that should allow users to keep in mind the competence to develop. The organization of the teacher training modules in the new mathematics program makes it possible to promote mathematics through a correct executive of the program. And that is about the conclusion. There is some bibliography up in the article. You guys could see and read this yourself. There is 2 pages. The first page is this one, and the second page is this one. And that's all the video about present the article review from me. I'm so sorry if there was a mistake, maybe it's my pronouncement, but I'm really sorry. It's all I can do, so please forgive me. Last word, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you next video.